Well, it would appear that people didn't get the memo that this was the end of the rally, supposedly. Holy crap. This place is hopping. It is awesome. I am beyond stoked to be here. This is incredible. This is my first time, and I have to be honest, I am loving every second of this. There is just so much to see, so much to do. Everyone out here has been super cool thus far. Yeah, getting tons of photos, checking out a ton of stuff, and just, as I said, so stoked to be here right now. This is amazing. Take it from someone who this is their first time. If you have never been here, you must make it a priority. This is awesome. I will be returning with more video coverage later.